evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister Modi calls upon scientific community to make India self-reliant with out-of-box innovations. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Kesangma inaugurates first unit of Ganol hydropower project in Chibragre, West Garo Hills district. PHE Minister Renington Tongkhar lays foundation stone for greater water supply scheme in Nongpo. And NPP MLA from Pulbari constituency, SG Esmatur, resigns, set to join TMC. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called upon the scientific community to work on subjects that meet the increasing needs of India. Speaking at the inaugural session of the 108th Indian Science Congress in Nagpur through video conferencing, he said the scientific community should work on innovation to meet India's energy requirements. Modi also said the increasing participation of women is a reflection of the progress of society and science. The Prime Minister said data and technology can take India's science to new heights. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Kesangma inaugurated the first unit of Ganol hydropower project. Around 7.5 megawatt unit of the 22.5 megawatt Ganol hydropower project comes from under the first unit. The project has encountered several delays since it was conceived in 2006, and there is a cost escalation from Rs 356 crore to Rs 507 crore. The project is being implemented in Chibragre, around 15 km from Tura. It will be the first hydropower project in the Garo Hills region. Power generation has been a hurdle in Garo Hills region, especially during dry winter months, and commissioning of the project will largely meet the peak electricity demands.
I'm sure that with the inauguration of this project, the augmentation of the overall power supply will go up. Of course, there's a lot more to be done in order to ensure that we are self-sufficient. But this is also one step forward to ensure that we move towards our goal of becoming self-sufficient in our power generation.
The National People's Party will hold its regional conference cum public rally to drum up support for the upcoming 2023 assembly polls. The regional conference of the Khasi Hills region will be held in Polo Ground on January 12. The party will also hold similar regional conferences in Jaintia Hills and Garo Hills at a later date. The regional conference in the city will be attended by leaders from various parts of the state in the presence of National President Conrad Kesangma and its two National Vice Presidents, Preston Tinsong and Snyabhalang Dhar. Certain strategic points in the yet-to-be-announced party manifesto will be outlined also during the regional conference. PHE Minister Renington Tongkhar laid the foundation stone of Nongpo Greater Water Supply Scheme for the 20 villages under Nongpo town. This water supply scheme was sanctioned at the estimated cost of Rs 103.71 crore by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. The scheme is expected to deal with the water woes of the area. Nongpo MLA Merrill Bond's aim and MDC Balaji Rani, along with officials of the PHE department, attended the program.
Hagajing yai tuji por kilongi kilanangbon, kilong song kilanangbon, kisong kilananghe. Katagi di siya di Tuesday jong kilong song hagajing di dong di time. But kalapun ba kanadam di kerdu. Ka nompo hi kade ka wei negi jaga kiba kerdu bahasa biasa orang po sopor malito.
Sebenarnya hadap kata-kata hakaba gilapoy kita achievement, big achievement. Hakaba ko state government ngin sapoy gilapoy na dai sa wal malah hinay most probably gilapoy 100%. in terms of scheme sanctioning on the GGM. Noted whether I deserve to get the credit, but I want to tell you the fact that with regards to the GGM implementation in the urban areas, I have really worked hard.
NPP MLA from Fulbari constituency SG Esmatur resigned as an MLA on Wednesday. He submitted his resignation to Assembly Speaker Medba Lingdo. He is expected to join the Trinamool Congress. Earlier, the NPP had announced A.T. Mondal as the Fulbari candidate of the party in Muminin's stead. The Office of the District Election Officer convened a meeting with all the media persons in view of the upcoming 2023 Assembly elections. During the meeting, matters relating to the broadcast, advertisement and paid news were discussed among others. Stress was also laid on to conform to the laws of the country and how news should not offend morality, decency and religious beliefs of subscribers. The media personnel were also asked to be neutral so that the election would be free and fair. And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 15.8 degrees Celsius, the minimum 5.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 73%, while that in the evening rose by 1% to 74%. The forecast: dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is very likely. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we end up, here's another look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi calls upon scientific community to make India self-reliant with out-of-box innovations. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates first unit of Ganol hydropower project in Chimbragre, West Garo Hills district. PHE Minister Renington Tongkhar lays foundation stone for greater water supply scheme in Nongpo. And NPP MLA from Fulbari constituency SG Esmatur resigns, set to join TMC. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.